But why is this place called Gol Conda?
Oh, there are many legends about this name. Originally, this hill was called Mangalvaram. But some people say that it was named Gol Conda because the fort resembled a circular tank. Others maintain that shepherds brought their flocks to graze here. Hence it was called Gol Conda, which in Telugu means Shepherd's Hill. And now, a glimpse into the history of this fort. Come, let us sit here. About 800 years ago, in the 12th century, this area was ruled by the Yadavs of Devgiri and the Kartiyas of Warangal. The Kartiyas ruled Telangana for 2 centuries, and under them the Telugu-speaking people of Andhra Pradesh established their distinct cultural identity.
Andhra Santigariyam Sara Kanchanachaya Shalaya Yatha Hatakatasya Ratnashalina
Samrat Pratap Rudradev ki Jai! Samrat Pratap Rudradev ki Jai!
Count Venerable, we have defeated and duly punished the errant feudatory Ambadev. Other rebels who stood by him have also been vanquished.
At last we may hope for peace in our land, Maharaj.
Not yet, Venerable. We have information that the Turk invader Alauddin Khilji has captured Devgiri.
Now we might think of invading Telangana as well.
So long as life courses through the veins of Pratapudra and valiant warriors like you stand by us, we can face any calamity. But we must be on guard. We will build a new fort here at Mangalvaram, which will protect us against any invasion from Devgiri.
And so huge ramparts of mud were raised on the hill, and a strong fort was built here. But the invasions from the north did not stop. The Khiljis were followed by the Tughlaqs, and then neither the Yadavs survived, nor the Kartiyas. However, the Tughlaqs could not hold the Deccan for long.
Why?
Because local chieftains like Kapai Nayak organized the people of Telangana. But very soon, fresh clashes broke out between the Behmani Sultans and the king of Warangal.
What caused this fighting?
Oh, the usual problem. It was the land between the Tungabhadra and Krishna rivers which became the bone of contention.
Who won the fight?
The battle was won by the second Behmani Sultan, Muhammad Shah. In 1363, he defeated Kapai Nayak and forced him to come to terms.
Kapaya Nayak, this is the second time that we have been forced into military action against you.
As long as the spirit to remain free lives within our hearts, Sultan, this is inevitable.
Gol Conda became part of the Behmani kingdom, which flourished during the next 100 years. During the reign of the 14th Behmani king, Mahmud Shah, a young man arrived at his court from the famous city of Hamadan in Persia. This young man was destined to change the face, fate and fortune of Gol Conda.
Sultan Kuli, not only your bravery, but your knowledge is also praiseworthy.
My lord, it is your magnanimity which sees worth in this humble servant.
We hope that your stay at Bidal is comforting.
Alija, it is indeed gracious of you to have given refuge to me and my uncle in our exile.
Then why do you not settle there for good?
Alija, for me your desire is a command I cannot disobey.
Subhanallah, we hereby bestow on you the title of Khawas Khan and make you a noble at our court.
The ascent of Sultan Quli was meteoric. In just 7 years,
there is peace and quiet in Vijayanagar and Vijayanagar. The administration of Gol Conda too is stronger than ever before.
and we shall have to keep it so. Therefore, we have decided to make Gol Conda our capital.
But it is not in the center of the kingdom, my lord.
Nevertheless, there is no other place more suited for the defense of our kingdom. A mud fort already exists here.
87 bastions in the crenellated wall, and 2 more stone walls within the outer rampart protect Bala Hissa.
What is all this clapping about?
Who are these people?
Oh, merely tourists. Like you. When you entered the Bala Hissa,